Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change icons in Windows 11. Chapter 1. Change desktop icons Windows 11. To start, right-click on the desktop, click Personalize. Now click on Themes, then click on Desktop Icon Settings. After this, select the icon to change. Click Change Icon. Then, click Browse. Here, select the new icon to use. Click Open. Now click OK. Finally, click Apply and OK. You can see the new assigned icon. Chapter 2. Change folder icons Windows 11. To start, right-click on the folder on the desktop, click on Properties. Then in the Customize tab, click Change Icon. Then click Browse. Here, select the new icon to use. Click Open. Now click OK. After this, click Apply and OK. You can see the new icon assigned to the folder. Chapter 3. Change shortcut icons Windows 11. To start, right-click on the shortcut. Click on Properties. Now, in the Shortcut tab, click Change Icon. Then, click Browse. Select the new icon to use. Click Open. After this, click OK. Now, click Apply and OK. You can see the new icon assigned to the shortcut. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.